Today we are following the ongoing trial in Baku concerning Ruben Vardanyan, a former separatist leader and Russian billionaire who faces multiple criminal charges related to his activities in Azerbaijan's Karabakh region. Vardanyan, a man who rose to prominence in Russia during the 19th, has been known for his philanthropy and also been implicated in money laundering schemes through his financial brainchild Troika dialogue. Being a man of unveiled and vast financial resources, he has quite often been the epicenter of public attention, with the trial receiving extensive media attention. Vardanyan is now accused of a range of grave offenses under Azerbaijan's criminal code. These include planning and waging aggressive war, genocide, forced displacement, persecution, torture, military robbery, and violations of international law during armed conflict. Additionally, he faces charges of financing terrorism, mercenary activities, and creating illegal armed groups, among others. Today's court session marks the continuation of the preparatory which began on January 17 in Baku court complex. The proceedings are being overseen by Judge Zeynal Agayev of the Baku military court. As required by law, Vardanyan has been provided with a Russian language translator and defense counsel of his choice. 6 state prosecutors are representing the prosecution, with Rufat Mammadov, the head of Azerbaijan's Cabinet of Ministers office, representing the Azerbaijan as state the victim in this criminal case. The criminal case involves over 531,000 victims, underlying the vast scale of alleged crimes committed by Vardanyan and others implicated in this conflict. In addition to Vardanyan, 15 other individuals are being charged for their involvement in these actions of the illegal separatist entity known as Nagorno-Karabakh Republic, the de facto existence of which come to an end in September 2023. The charges include genocide, unlawful killings, forced deportations, and also other violations of international humanitarian law. The trial is a significant part of Azerbaijan's ongoing efforts to seek justice for the victims and hold accountable those responsible for the destabilization of the region and undermining of Azerbaijan's sovereignty. The trial is set to resume later this month, with a preliminary hearings for Ruben Vardanyan scheduled for January 27, 2025. During this session, Vardanyan requested additional time to familiarize himself with the case materials, and the court granted him a 10-day extension for these defense preparations. We will continue to keep you informed and as the trial progress and new developments emerge. Nigar Shirinova, AnewZ, Baku, Azerbaijan.